In the bustling Songbei district of Harbin City, Heilongjiang Province, a heart-wrenching scene unfolded on July 2nd that would touch the hearts of many. The story began with a stray cat, yellow and white, known for its tenacity and resilience. That morning, as people went about their day, a distressing sight caught the attention of onlookers. The stray cat, visibly distressed, was dragging the lifeless body of its friend across the street. The cat, its fur matted and dirty from the struggle, was trying desperately to move its companion to safety. The scene was captured on video, and what it revealed was nothing short of heartbreaking. The stray cat, despite its own exhaustion and the daunting task ahead, dragged the body with unwavering determination. It pulled the lifeless friend across the rough pavement, struggling with each step. The act was a testament to the depth of the cat's loyalty and the powerful bond they shared. The cat made its way to a nearby shelter, its movements slow but persistent. Each effort seemed to drain the last of its energy, but the drive to save its friend kept it moving. With great difficulty, the cat managed to get the body under a parked car, a temporary sanctuary from the busy street. Witnesses, their hearts aching at the sight, alerted the shelter staff to the situation. When the staff arrived, they found the stray cat curled protectively beside its friend, its eyes filled with a mixture of fear and hope. The staff carefully retrieved the deceased cat and brought it inside for examination. The stray, still close by, watched with a mix of apprehension and sadness. The shelter staff, moved by the display of devotion, took immediate action to care for the grieving feline. They provided food, warmth, and comfort, recognizing the profound distress the cat had endured. As the day turned to evening, the shelter staff, having conducted a thorough examination, decided to give the deceased cat a respectful farewell. They arranged a small ceremony, honoring the bond between the two strays and acknowledging the remarkable loyalty shown. The yellow and white cat, now under the shelter's care, began to recover from its ordeal. Though it would never forget its lost friend, the shelter staff ensured it received the love and attention it deserved. If you liked the video, put like and subscribe to the channel, where you will find a lot of interesting things.